Anytime now. And the race on Charlie's World from the outside. Quick Storm brushing up Abun's Treasure. Also moving up is the favorite Unica Champ, while Princess Ashley is the early trailer. Charlie's World followed by Abun's Treasure. Quick Storm, Danori inside, Unica Champ racing in fourth, and a long way back to Princess Ashley. Three runners fighting it out for the lead, and now four runners fighting it out for the lead. Unica Champ, Abun's Treasure in the middle. Quick Storm, Danori inside, Charlie's World. And rounding the far turn, Quick Storm, Unica Champ racing on the outside, and Abun's Treasure. Charlie's World racing in fourth by a length and a half as they race the last 500. Unica Champ this time by a length and a half. Quick Storm, Abun's Treasure. Charlie's World racing on the outside, and Princess Ashley as they race the last 200. Unica Champ by about 2 lengths. Quick Storm, Abun's Treasure, and Charlie's World. Entering the finish line, the Icebreaker. Unica Champ, the favorite, number 4, and finally, Unica Champ, Quick Storm, Abun's Treasure, Princess Ashley, Charlie's World.
At ang unang tumawid sa linya, ang limado sa lahat.